Hey Math Maniacs, it's Vanessa here with another 2-minute Tuesday tutorial challenge. If you watched last week's video, you remember that within 2 minutes I was able to explain the mental math strategy of using doubles, so doubles plus 1 or doubles minus 1 to help children with their basic facts. Well, today I am accepting the challenge for, in 2 minutes or less, quickly explaining the adding 9 strategy. And if you tune in this Sunday to our Sunday Fun Day, sharing a game and explaining a couple other games that you can do to help with this strategy. All right, so in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to explain adding 9. Ready, set, go. All right, so in order to add 9, the first concept the students will have to have mastered is adding 10, which actually comes quite quickly for many students, because when you add 10, especially if you're adding 10 to a 1-digit number, since the 1 digit in a 10 is always a 0, and students understand generally pretty quickly that 0 plus any other number will always equal the other number, because 0 has a value of nothing. So therefore, 10 plus 4 would equal 14. So you're replacing the 0 in the 1's place with the 4. 5 plus 10 would equal 15. 10 plus 3 is 13. 7 plus 10 is 17, 10 plus 9 is 19, and 8 plus 10 is 18. All right, so you usually know about adding 10, so you always think about adding 10 when adding 9, because 9 is 1 less than 10. So here, if we were to add 9 plus 6, what I'm going to be thinking is actually 10 plus 6 is 16, but I'm not adding 10, I'm adding 9. So I'm going to then take 1 away, so 16 minus 1 is going to equal 15. Okay, let's try that when I ran out of whiteboard space. So let's try 7 plus 9. I'm going to think 7 plus 10 is 17, but I'm not adding 10, I'm adding 9, which is 1 less, so 1 less than 17 equals 16. Let's try one more. Oh, look at that, I still have 25 seconds on the timer. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's try it with a larger number, 9 plus 47. Well, 10 plus 47 would be 57. 1 less would be 56. I hope this helps. All right, take a look at that, Sylvia. Oh, what did I do? There was 11 seconds left. I hope you caught that. All right, there you go. Remember, math is awesome.